Hey there, health lovers! Get ready to uncover a golden secret that could revolutionize your well-being. Believe it or not, the key to optimal health might be simpler than you think. Welcome to our discussion on the golden secret to health. In today's fast-paced world, achieving overall well-being can feel like an elusive goal. But fear not, as we dive into this crucial topic. Let's address the elephant in the room. The common health struggles many of us face daily, from the relentless stress that weighs us down to the lack of exercise and poor dietary choices. It's no wonder our health often takes a hit. Now, let's shift our focus to the game changer. The tips and practices that can truly make a difference in our health journey. Whether it's prioritizing self-care, adapting a balanced diet, or incorporating regular physical activity. These small changes can lead to significant improvements in our overall well-being. But here's the golden nugget you've been waiting for. Before continuing the video, please like the video and leave your comments at the end. To see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. Pistachios and Cashews. Every food item consists of compounds that have chemical and physical effects on the human body. These effects have sometimes useful and sometimes harmful properties. Nuts such as cashews and pistachios are among the edibles that nutritionists recommend that a place should always be reserved for them in the weekly nutrition basket so that by consuming them in the right amount, the organs and bodies of the body can access the minerals and vitamins necessary for optimal work. Pistachios. One of the most popular and delicious types of food is raw pistachio, which has a very different taste. Raw pistachios are a very suitable option for weight loss and control. Also, one of its other properties is having a strong antioxidant, which is considered one of the best anti-cancer compounds. The fat of this pistachio is unsaturated and healthy, and its consumption has good consequences for the health of the body. Consuming this type of pistachio can be effective in improving cough and strengthening the body's immune system. Among its other benefits, we can mention the better growth of the fetus, treatment of anemia, physical fitness, and resistance of teeth. Raw pistachios can be eaten alone or with salads and other foods. Chewing pistachios removes bad breath. Also, pistachios are a good source of protein and fiber. By consuming raw pistachios, you can strengthen your stomach, strengthen your mind and brain, strengthen your sexual power, and hydrate your hair. In addition to the mentioned cases of pistachio consumption, it has many properties such as improving and healing mouth ulcers, strengthening gums, improving nausea and vomiting, and also relieving hiccups. Other benefits of consuming raw pistachios include the positive effects of boiled pistachio skin in relieving itching and pain. Cashews. Cashews are rich in fiber and protein that help in weight loss. It also contains unsaturated fats that are good for heart health. Cashews contain fiber and antioxidants that help reduce the risk of diabetes. Fiber helps control blood sugar, and antioxidants prevent damage to pancreatic cells that produce insulin. Studies have shown that consuming cashews helps reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, improving skin and hair health, improving brain function, and strengthening the immune system are other properties of cashews, which is rich in vitamin E. Some other benefits of cashews include reduce the risk of cancer, improve eye health, strengthen muscle health, reduce inflammation, mood improvement. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health tips and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to better health. Thanks for watching.